Hey, what's happening, guys? Rules for Rebels here. I actually have a question for you guys today. I'm going to keep this video short and sweet. I really don't have anything to share or teach or talk about. I'm actually hoping some of you guys can give me some feedback here. So let's see if we can see this here. What you're looking at right here is a shirt that I just got in the mail today. This is a Gildan 200 t-shirt. Now, this is CustomCat's famous $6 t-shirt. I'm actually using CustomCat Lite. I'm not signed up for their premium service, so I'm actually paying $8 for these t-shirts instead of $6. If I pay them the $30 to get on their plan, I get the discount and I get them for $6. So really amazing price, right? Like really cheap, way cheaper than like Anvil, Bella Canva, American Apparel. So I love the margins, but this thing showed up today, man. It's the quality, like initially upon taking it out of the packaging, it felt like a rag I would wipe my car with, not like a soft t-shirt. You know, like my folks just got back from South Carolina. They used to live down there, and they moved back up to Chicago. But they were back down visiting, and there's this restaurant down there, this bar down there called Dog and Duck, and they always bring me a t-shirt from there. It's like my favorite place down there. And they bring me these Bella Canva. I think it's like the 3001. Super soft. I mean, as soon as you touch it, it's like, oh, this is so soft. What great quality. My girlfriend's like a fanatic for soft shirts. She absolutely loves them. My initial impression upon touching this, like this feels like some of the shit I order off AliExpress. It just feels like straight garbage. I'm going to try to give it a wash here soon and see if it softens up a little bit. Also, where the image actually goes on a t-shirt, normally I don't really notice much of a texture, but where the image goes on a t-shirt with these Gildan shirts, it gets really, really stiff to almost where you feel like you're wearing like a plate on the front of the chest. And just overall, I'm just not really impressed with how the print went on the shirt. I'm not impressed with how soft it is. It's kind of a boxy shirt. I'm not impressed with the fit. There's almost nothing about this t-shirt I like except that it's $6 or $8, and it leaves me a lot of room to make margins. Now, I'm kind of debating, do I be greedy and get these shirts for $6 and sell them for $20 with $5 shipping and make a fortune per shirt sold, and maybe not have the happiest customers, or maybe people don't know any better, maybe people don't care? Do I get these shirts for $6 or $8, sell them for like $16, so like a pretty reasonable price, and kind of realize like I'm selling this for cheaper because it's not as good a quality? Or do I spring for like the American Apparel or the Bella Canva, sell a quality shirt and charge $20 for the shirt plus $5 for the shipping? I'm not really sure which is the best way to go, so I was kind of hoping for some feedback from you guys. Like, are any of you guys using CustomCat, and or are you using another print-on-demand platform that uses the Gildan 200 shirt? I was really kind of surprised prior to ordering this and kind of deciding to use these shirts. Oh man, what a fucking headache. It's just occurring to me that I'm going to have to go through and redo all my t-shirts if I wind up switching away from this one. So I checked the reviews on like Amazon as well as CustomCat and some other print-on-demand sites, and everyone's like, wow, I was really hesitant to order this, but it's much better than I thought, thick cotton, I'm happy with the quality. I don't know if these are fake reviews or if people just don't really care about the quality of their t-shirts, but to me, this isn't a great t-shirt. Let me know your guys' experience, like if you've worn these shirts, bought these shirts, etc. Like, what was your impression of them? Do you get any complaints from your customers? Do you feel like you have to price them lower? Let me know what you guys think about using CustomCat and the Gildan 200. Drop a comment in the comment section below. I'm curious about this, and I'm sure a lot of other people are. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, I guess there's not much to enjoy. I'm asking you guys for help. But if you enjoyed the video anyway, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.